Today we replaced the cabin air filter in the 2021 Chevy Traverse. It's the same from 2018 to 2023 models so far. We will also be doing a small modification to make this process easier going forward. The tools needed for this is just a T20 driver bit. For the modification, you'll need a drill with one of these die grinder bits. Look for the links in the description for the tools and filter used in this video. So, to get to the filter, the glove compartment door needs to be removed, which is very easy to do and no tools needed. With the door compartment open, unsnap the bottom of the small shock here. Then with both hands push in both sides of the glove box. This will release the stoppers on each side. Slowly let it drop until it unhooks off the hinges. Through this opening is the filter access door, but behind this lip there's a T20 screw that needs to be taken out before we can unlatch it. Problem is this lip is in the way, as we can see here. Don't ask why it's like this, but we shall fix it, so the next time it should be a breeze. This is where the drill with the die grinder bit comes in. Make a nice slot deep enough so the T20 screw head is exposed and easy to get to. And I wouldn't worry about scratches since no one will see them. Take your T20 and nice and easy unscrew it off. Once the screw is removed, push the plastic lever on the right side of the door and pull. And make sure to clear the center tab on top here. And at the same time unhook the left side. Here's a closer look of the door latch and the other side that unhooks. Now we can slide out the old filter. Notice the arrows pointing down. That's the airflow direction. So make sure you point the new one the same way. Slide out the old filter and insert the new one. Insert the left side of the plastic door into the hooks. Then line up the latch on the right side and push in. Once it's clipped, insert the T20 screw and tighten. Now we can put the glove box back on by first hooking the hinges. Then line up the small shock here and snap it back on. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.